Hi guys, my dog Remy wanted to say hi. He's getting a haircut tomorrow, so I wanted you to see him before he got his haircut, and I'll show him to you after he gets a haircut. He's being a little bit shy right now. Alright, you can go, buddy. I'm getting ready to read a book to you called Nature's Miracles, Once There Was a Raindrop. And it's written by Judith Anderson and Mike Gordon. What do you think it's going to be about? Once there was a raindrop. It's raining. Rain is made up of lots of tiny drops of water. Wow. My teacher says each raindrop is part of the water cycle. What's a water cycle? Let's find out. Woof. When a raindrop falls to the ground, it sinks into the earth and makes it wet and muddy. Or it stays on the surface and forms puddles. The surface is the top. This water flows into drains and streams, or it drips underground. Woo! The drains and streams flow into lakes and oceans. But that's not the end of the story. The sun warms the surface of the ocean. It's cold down here. The warmer water turns into water vapor, which rises into the air. This is called evaporation. Can you say that long word? Evaporation. Good job. You can't see water vapor, but it's all around us in the air. It's warm up here. That's how our wet clothes get dry. And that's where the water in the bird bath has gone. It was full yesterday. The water vapor rises high into the sky. As it gets higher, it cools down. The cool air turns the water vapor back into tiny droplets of water. These tiny droplets form clouds. Brrr! Look! The same thing happens to the water vapor in your breath on a cold day. The droplets of water in the clouds get bigger and heavier. And when they become too heavy to stay in the clouds, they fall down as rain. Not again! If the air is really cold, the droplets freeze and they fall down as snowflakes or hailstones. Ouch! Sometimes too much rain falls. Sometimes not enough rain falls. We mustn't waste water. No swimming today. And sometimes the rainfall is just right. Every drop of water on our planet is recycled over and over again. Great! That's why it's called the water cycle. The end. Have a great day, guys.